Back guys, so as you know, in this video I'm going to show you how to hack Minigo Zombies 2 zombies with the help of Game Guardian. So for hacking this game you need to have two apps from which one is the game you want to hack, and the second one is the app from which you will hack the game, and that is Game Guardian. So all you have to do is to download the two apps I have told in, that is Game Guardian and Minigo 2, from the link given in the description, and then open the Game Guardian app. And after you open the Game Guardian app, a pop-up will appear, and if you want to read this, the information will come, and if you want to read this then you can. If you don't want to, then it's your choice. Then you have to start it. As you will start, then on the right hand side corner you will see an icon will appear. That icon will be this. You don't have to do anything, let it be however it is. Then open the game Minigo 2 game. As this pop-up will appear, you will see, and this hack is only specified for, and this app is only specifically for games phones which are only rooted. As you will start this Minigo 2 game, this will appear, and when this will appear, all you have to do is to start hitting them. Wait, first you have to kill some of them and see how much coins you have got. Now you have got 15 coins, so let them kill you. Kill me, kill. You don't have any power. They are all what I can select it. Kill fast. I want to get tired. Eat my blood. Give me my blood. Yes, they killed me. So now you have got 36 coins. So click on Game Guardian and a pop-up will appear, and that pop-up is this. So you have to search Minigo 2 in that and select it, and then click on Known. So first you have to do is to click on auto, then it will search like this, and the coins you got is 36. So search for that. Let it search as much as it can. So it will search something near 1,80,000, as I think so, or less than that. So it has searched it. So all you have to do is to play again. You have to go and earn some coins, some means only few, and get died. So go and let them kill you. You have earned some coins. Now all you have to do is to go and die. Let them kill you. Kill me. Kill fast. I want to die. Kill fast. After I die, I will make you all die. Wait a minute. So now we have earned 59 coins. So you have to click on Known, and again the same process, 59. Search. It will search as much he can. And the last time you have to do is to again go play and earn some coins and die again, and then you will be able to hack and ready to kill all of them. You have to earn some coins. You have earned 135 coins. Oh my god. Let them kill you. Kill me fast. Kill me. Kill. And your more is left, then you can also come. I don't have any restriction. All can come and kill me. Now oh my god, this much coins. Now you have to search 410 coins, that is 410, and search. It will all automatically come, and click on edit selected. Now you can put as much coins you want. So I want 99 coins. Yes, and now I have got 99 coins, etc. So now you can go to shop, and you can take anything you want. No one is there to tell us anything, and it is free. So as you take, you can go and play, and also you can connect it with Facebook and Google if you want. But if you will install the modded app, you will not be able to connect it with Facebook or Google, and it is for both rooted phones and unrooted phones. But if you will take the Game Guardian, if your phone is rooted, you can install the Game Guardian app, and you can hack yourself and connect it to Facebook and show to everyone. So I have shown how to do. Now it's your choice what to select, modded app, or you have to mod it with yourself. Thank you. So like, share and subscribe.